going.
Alright, so I was down at this club in 5 Points, right? Getting drunk, you know, acting my ass off. There's this girl looking me up and down. And I was like, yo, bitch, what's up? You want to party? She was like, with you? Hell no. And I said, bitch, you know who I am? And she was like, no, you just white trash. I was like, fuck white trash, I make it rain. Nobody got any of that shit. Nobody.
Free money?
Free money, man.
Shit.
Free money. Get paid,
hey,
bitches.
Turn down the Benjamin
Get paid,
Franklin.
bitches.
George Washington's just not worth my time. Is this the last load?
Yeah, that's it, man.
Alright, man. Free.
Yeah, man. Don't spend it in one place.
Huh?
Don't spend it in one place.